This is my first review of the Camp King pocket knife, and it's got an awl, it's got a can opener, hefty duty, it's got a knife blade, and it's got a bottle opener slash screwdriver, and um, they're hard to get out. I rescued this from an antique mart. Needs some love, and that's why I don't want to show it to you right now. But this is a beautiful, beautiful knife. I only paid like $2 for it, and like the the knife, uh, the knife, uh, the knife has almost like a stone. All the tools in it have a stone wash, almost like finish. Uh, it's been beaten up and worn down, but I love the way this knife blade looks. And they all have this really good looking shape. So this is my first review of the Camp King pocket knife, probably for campers. The knife, the awl would be good to strike a ferro rod, which I carry two of them in my pocket. So it's really good.